This is leak test apparatus model LT101P, which is used to check any leakages in the packed items, which is either used in the food or the pharma industries. So now I'll show you a small demonstration. Here, during this keypad, we will set the desired vacuum 500 and I set it for 1 minute. See, you can see here the above packet is fully bulged. Vacuum is getting pulled in all the direction. And this is not as much, mom's magic is not as bulged as the other bulge packet. It looks there's a leakage. We have come to 350 mm. We are set to 500. Now you can see mom's magic, 2 biscuits. First biscuit is fully bloated, the second biscuit is not puffed up fully. It looks there's a leakage. Now we reached 500. The vacuum pump switches off and we wait for 1 minute. It holds the sample for 1 minute. So end of 1 minute, vacuum release takes place automatically. And vacuum also is released from the desiccator. Yes, vacuum release has taken place. Now sample is removed from the desiccator. That's it.